Good morning, happy Mother's Day. Welcome back to Mom Likely. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me Mother's Day edition. So today's video essentially is going to be a power hour. I'm going to try to get as much as I can done within this hour because I am getting ready to head off to work. I'm actually filming this on a Saturday, even though you're seeing this today, Sunday. So I'm just trying to get as much as I can done so that when I get home from work, it can at least be clean. So as you can see, per usual, I have a pretty messy house. I'm just going to do the best that I can to get as much done within this hour. So it's 1:23 now, so let's get going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down, 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 Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. 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 Say goodbye to the fear inside. Speak out, girl, no one can shut you down. They'll try and make you feel out of place. Don't you let them. You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down, down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn.
Okay, this is what I have so far now. I wiped a few spaces off on the couch and swept and mopped the floor and picked up like all the cluttery things that were sitting around. So yeah, now this is just how I would clean if I was like picking up or something. This is by no means like deep cleaning the living room or anything like that to me. This is just purely like something that I will do during the week to keep it up, and it's quick. And so yeah, let's move on to the kitchen now because it's almost 2 o'clock. Okay, so as you can see now, it is 1:52, and so now I have like about 30 or 40 minutes to get into the kitchen, and I'm gonna try to at least do the dishes and sweep the floors and wipe down the table, and then if I have time, I'm gonna mop too. Oh, I didn't actually show you guys either today, so today I am using the Lysol Cherry Blossom scent. I really love how this makes the house smell after I'm done, and it usually lingers all day, so I like that. And I'm using my O-Cedar mop. I am going to change the water. I do change the water each room that I do mop. So I'm going to do that and then start cleaning.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type.
I don't know why I just had a random thought, but I just started thinking about Twilight in the part where she got bit by the James vampire in the ballerina studio, and now I want to watch Twilight.
Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Oh, trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Yeah, these city lights are making me wanna be something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way.
Okay, you guys, so my power hour is officially over. Don't mind that, we're still missing a door up there. But let me show you what time it is. So I literally have like 1 minute left and I'm not done. That's because I was messing around a little bit with my stove. But I still have to clear off this table and wipe it down, sweep under my table, and then just mop the kitchen. So although it's not typical power hour fashion, I'm still gonna get it done because I want this house clean when I walk in from work tonight. So we're gonna do that.
And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second.
Woo. Okay. So today went fairly well. I'm officially done cleaning. It took me all of an extra, what is it? 2:40. So yeah, like an extra 10 minutes and I was able to get the floor mopped in here and the rest of the counters picked up and all that good stuff. So I actually have to be to work at 5 today. You're going to see this on Sunday, which is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. I hope you guys are going to have a fantastic day. I'll probably post this in the morning. So hopefully you guys have a wonderful day and you get rested and lots of snuggles and stuff. However, I have to work tonight at 5 because this is Saturday for me. So I'm going to clean up my bathroom a little bit and then I'm going to get ready for work and hopefully come home tonight to this clean house and relax because I get off at 2 a.m. so everyone's sleeping when I get home. So okay, so have a great day. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys this coming week. Bye.
Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had.